Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add google.com on your iPhone's homepage. As you can see, I want Google app or the Google logo on my home screen. But unfortunately by default it's not possible, as on my iPhone there is only one browser. It's called Safari. So I will show you guys how you can add Google on your homepage from Safari. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to open Safari, and from here you just need to select Google. If the Google icon is not present up here, you just need to select this and type google.com. And after typing google.com, as you can see, the browser has loaded. After that, you just need to tap this icon, and then you just need to go down. As you can see, add to home screen. So what this will do, let me show you guys. Okay, after clicking the plus button, as you can see, you can rename the Google. You can also rename to something else, but I'm letting it stay like this. After that, you just need to tap the add button. Now as you can see, this is the Safari, and here the Google shortcut. If we tap on Google, as you can see, it will open up like this. So I wanted Google on my home screen, and now it's available. I don't need to open from Safari anymore.